Hey everyone. This video I'm going to focus in on a app called Sunshine. It has a server and a Android app, and as you can see here, I'm adding a folder. This is the server part of the system. It stays on your computer. Basically, you would pick a folder. Now I've got Carson loading right here, just the Carson folder of different Carson shows I've recorded and encoded. So it is just going through each file, and these files are located on Western Digital MyCloud, and I'll go into that later. Right here, it just goes through some settings just to give you a range or a look-see about the different settings. The purpose is to stream video to your mobile device. Now this is for free. If you have a program called Plex, or if you know anything about it, you have to have a Plex Pass, and that's a subscription service. So what this does is it will stream as long as you have a home computer and a network storage device. I've got two of them. You have your media files on there. You run the server on like an entertainment PC. You leave it on. You let it index is what it's doing right now. And this is just one folder of 140 some Carson shows. I have a lot more than that, but I didn't want to take forever. So it is indexing them, and it will do this each time. Kind of a pain in the butt, but if you leave your computer on, I've got 2,000 media files, and it took like 20 minutes. So for each show, it's going to take a second. So you can count 1001, 1002. That's how fast it goes through these shows. Basically, it makes a index of them, a little thumbnail picture of it, and so that little thumbnail will show up pretty quickly, as you'll see on the tablet. So there it's added. That's select, show in folder, and remove. That's what those little icons are. It has what it is, but it didn't show on my video. So that's the basic look of the server. Now here is the mobile device. Here's my tablet. It was a rather cheap tablet. Once you turn it on, down at the bottom you see it indexing all those files, 140 some files, and it's pretty quick. As you can see, it pops up with a thumbnail, and as you scroll, the thumbnail will pop up pretty quickly. This is how they deliver your content through this way. You can also do photos, all the stuff on your device, but this is just videos from your entertainment PC. So hopefully you've got a good internet connection. Now I'm playing a Carson real quick, and granted it is in my own space, but I tried this about 20 miles away, and it looks just like this. The speed was not jerky, it was smooth. I didn't have any problem with it. So of course I went to the next. I just hit the next for next program, and there's the volume. So it goes to the next program pretty quickly, even in the middle of a show. So here I'm going to go out, I'm going to go back, and all I did was I just tapped on the show I wanted. Usually I have over 2,000 media files on here, and it takes 20 minutes. But there it shows the devices that are hooked up to the mobile. I think that says HP 3130. or no, it might be another temporary computer just for this video. So you can add different devices. So if you've got another PC, you can add that entertainment PC if it's hooked up to a different device. So that's it for kind of the look. You've got some other choices: photos, videos, or photos and files. I'll get into that later when I'm downloading a file. But down at the bottom, you can go to what devices are hooked up. The middle one is download, so you can actually select, which I selected Carson there. And I attempted to hit download, but I think it will say I need to select, because on the side there'll be a little check mark. Yeah, it was unsuccessful. So you click on the one and you see the little check mark, and then I just hit download. So I'm going to let this continue, but this is the download. So this is a peer-to-peer program. So it does not go, as far as I know, the content does not really go through a website or anything like that, from what I understand. So this is a peer-to-peer, so it's taking the media file that I selected, it's downloading it from my home base entertainment PC right to my tablet. The download is located in and you can't change it, the internal storage download /sunshine/video, and then it would have, like, this was the Carson folder, so it would have a Carson folder, and then it would have a media file. I've been trying to be able to automatically move that to my SD card, but I haven't found an app. So if someone would have any ideas about a quick way to where I can just tap on an app and move it, I'd be grateful if you mentioned it. So that's the only drawback to where these files are located. Since the tablets come with a file manager, it's easy to move. So it's not that big a deal. I would just like a quicker way to do it. If I'm downloading several files, I'll need the space. So let me see. I think I've touched on everything about the Sunshine app. It's free. You get a free account. The only thing that you have to pay for, subscription-wise, is if in the beginning there you saw photos and then files. Now, if you wanted to download files, like if you had documents, that sort of thing, and then there's a backup too, and I'm not quite sure if it backs up the files on your tablet to your home base or what that's all about. So if someone has that and has a subscription and does that, let me know down in the comments if you could. So the downloading of files or uploading files or backing up, I think that's what they want, like, I forget, it was like $5 or something like that a month. So that would sync if you're using your tablet a lot and have a lot of important information on your tablet. You might want to pay for that. You might not. But from what I see, the streaming peer-to-peer of your videos is the most interesting part of this. Now with Plex, I have a Plex. I don't have a Plex Pass, but I get my videos from a friend of mine, and he has a Plex Pass, and that lets you stream all your content to your phone or your smartphone or your tablet. So you have to have a Plex Pass, but you don't have to pay to have that functionality with Sunshine. So Plex might have to rethink its Plex Pass or whatever, because this Sunshine kind of really takes the place of a Plex Pass for me. I will still use Plex because I don't have media files that my friend has, and that's where I view some of the videos that he's downloaded, movies. But For me, since I just got from Walmart, I got a WD My Cloud. I've got 2 of them, and I keep all my stuff on it. And that's how I'm streaming the content, is I keep my MP3s there, and I didn't show you, you can possibly add your MP3s and different things to listen. But I haven't tried that. I was just mainly using it for movies and to download movies. So I think in my next video, and I might attach it to this one, or maybe I'll just link it up in the corner, top right corner. I actually am going to make a Western Digital My Cloud video of how to do basically the same thing without having the server or anything. You just go to a website, get an account once you get your My Cloud, and you can stream right from your device to your tablet. It has an app, WD My Cloud app. The drawback is you have to have an account, and it's free as long as you get the product, the WD My Cloud. As you can see, it's about 90%, and this video will be done here pretty soon. I just want to ask you to stay tuned to the ID Band channel. The WD My Cloud video is coming up, and thank you for watching my videos. Hopefully this helped. If you have any more questions, go down to the comment section, and I'll try to visit it and answer any of your questions. Or if you have some answers for me, go ahead and post them. So that's it. Thanks a lot, everybody. Bye. I think I'll leave it there. That's it for the ID Band channel. Keep coming back for more videos. Any questions, leave it in the comments section, and hopefully I can get back with you.